Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can log in into your Genshin Impact account. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial. So feel free to watch the video till the end, and with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead and open your Genshin Impact game. If you haven't already downloaded it and signed up for an account, I have made a previous tutorial on that. Feel free to watch those and then come back to this video. And finally, go ahead and open your Genshin Impact. Once you have done that, this is the page you're going to be on. Simply click on launch and your game will be launching. Finally, it will ask you for your email or your username and your password. You want to go ahead and enter your email on the top and then simply enter your password down below in order for you to log in into the game. So simply click on start game after you have entered your email and password, and it will ask you to choose a server. So go ahead and do that. And congratulations, you have successfully logged in into your Genshin Impact. And if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.